Good morning, dear student. Chemical kinetics. Easy way to find rate constant for decomposition of Cl2O7. The decomposition of Cl2O7 at 500 Kelvin in the gas phase 2Cl2 and O2 is a first order reaction. After 1 minute at 500 Kelvin, the pressure of Cl2O7 falls from 0.08 to 0.04 atm. Calculate the rate constant in second. So, what is the equation given in our problem is that Cl2O7 undergo decomposition when heated to 500 Kelvin gives Cl2 and O2. 7 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 7 is before oxygen, 2 is before Cl2O7, 2Cl2. So, what are other values are given is that time equal to 1 minute, this is given. Now, I convert the minute into second, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Initial concentration is given as 0.08 atm. In pressure value it is given, we can take it as A0 value. And the concentration after the time A equal to 0.04 atm. Here we are taking that value directly without any subtraction because in our problem it indicates that the pressure of Cl2O7 falls to, this word falls to or decreases, that indicate already it is decreased, already it is falled. Therefore, that value is taken as such. Question is calculate the rate constant in second. Because of question is asked in second, we convert the minute into second here. The first order rate equation K is equal to 2.303 by T into log of concentration of A0 divided by concentration of A. K is equal to, substitute all the value, 2.303 divided by 60 second end log of concentration of A0 0.08 divided by concentration of A 0.04. Now, we can cancel the denominator and numerator quantity. 1.04 here 2, numerator is 2, that is equal to 2.303 by 60 into log 2 by 60 into log 2, that is equal to 2.303 by 60 into 0.3010. This is your K value. We can cancel. When you multiply these two, 2.303, 0.3010, we studied in the half-life period. The multiplication of these two values gives 0.6932 by 60 can also be written as 6 into 10. Now, we can cancel. 1 6 is 6. Now, how many 6? 0.16 is 6. In 9 there is 1 6. Remaining 3 30. 5 6 are 30. Remaining 3 32. 5 6 are 32. Remaining 2 24. Denominator you have 10 power 1. Bring this to the numerator. So, that is equal to 0.11554 into 10 power minus 1. In scientific method, when you write this value as K is equal to 1.1554 into 10 power minus 2 second power minus 1. So, this is the rate constant in second power minus 1 for the decomposition of Cl2O7. One more problem we are going to discuss now. The rate constant K for the first order reaction is 1.54 into 10 power minus 3 second power minus 1. Calculate its half-life time, half-life period. What is the formula used to calculate the half-life period? T half is equal to 0.6932 divided by K. K value is given, substitute the K value 0.6932 by 1.54 into 10 power minus 3, that is given in our problem. So, when you cancel 0.6932 by 1.54, you will get 4.501 into 10 power 2 second. This is the answer, but you can easily do the sum by dividing 0.6932. We can write 2.303 into 0.3010 by 1.54 can also be written as 1 digit 15.4 into 10 power minus 1 and 10 power minus 3, that is equal to 2.303 simply taken as 2.3 into 0.30, that is enough, divided by 15.4 can be written as 15. 10 power minus 4, when you bring to the numerator, it becomes 10 power plus 4, that is equal to, now we can cancel. 115 is 15, 0.02, 2 15s are 30, and multiple 2 and 2.3, it will give 4.6, totally 1 to 3 digit, we have to 1 to 3 digit. 0.046 into 10 power 4, in scientific method we can also write 4.6 into 10 power 2 second. Values are equal, 4.6, 4.501, mostly values are equal. So, this is how the half-life period is determined by using the rate constant value. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes, so please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.